In this video, I'm going to show you how we can display posts from an Instagram hashtag in a fast and responsive feed like this on your WordPress website. This is by using the Smash Balloon Instagram Feed Pro plugin. To get started, purchase Instagram Feed Pro, and once purchased, you can find your download link and the license key for the plugin inside your Smash Balloon account. Download Instagram Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now inside your dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Instagram Feed Pro, like this, then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And just like that, Instagram Feed Pro has been installed and activated. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Instagram Feed. Hover over it and click on Settings. Before we create our Instagram hashtag feed, we'll first have to activate the license key. Paste the license key from your Smash Balloon account and click Activate. And now the plugin has been activated. On the left-hand side, we can now go into Instagram Feed once again and click on All Feeds. To get started with creating an Instagram hashtag feed, click on Add New. And for the first step, we'll have to select a feed type. With Instagram Feed Pro, you can create a feed of posts from any user timeline, feed of posts from any public hashtag, or a feed of posts that you were tagged into. And because we want to create a hashtag feed, select the public hashtag option. Next, we can deselect the user timeline option. Now, this one's the only one selected, so we can click Next. For step number 2, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click Add Source, and on this page, we can select the option that best suits our Instagram account, whether our account is a Business Basic or a Business Advanced account. The only difference is that the Business Advanced is connected to a Facebook business page, and to create an Instagram hashtag feed, we need to select this option, Business Advanced. So make sure your Instagram account is a business account and it's connected to a Facebook business page. Select it, then click Connect. And now it's asking us if we've connected our Facebook account with the plugin before. I'm going to click on No, then we can click on Connect with Facebook. And this will take you to Facebook, and if you're already logged in, you can click on Continue. And finally, you'll get this prompt here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. Click on Yes, it's my domain. And back inside Instagram Feed Pro, we can add our Instagram account as a source. So we can select it, then click Add. Alright, now that our Instagram account is connected, we'll have to add a hashtag we want to display inside our feed. For the demonstration, we can go with hashtag Hobbiton, like so. And next, we can choose if we want to display the most recent post for this hashtag or the top rated ones. Let's go with top rated, then click on Next. On this step, we'll have to select a theme for the design of our Instagram feed. We have options like the default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. For this demonstration, let's go with the modern one. Once selected, click Next. Now for the final step of creating our Instagram feed, selecting a template for the layout of our feed. You can choose from options like the default, Simple Grid XL, and more. Let's continue with the card grid, this one here, and once selected, we can click Next. And instantly we have a live preview of our brand new Instagram hashtags feed featuring the latest post from the hashtag Hobbiton. You can see the hashtag at the top inside the header, followed by the post inside a card grid layout. Each post features the post content, preview of the caption, the number of likes, and the number of comments too. Our Instagram feed is now ready to be embedded inside WordPress, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Here you can customize the layout of your Instagram feed. At the top, we have different layout options, such as the grid. This one displays your posts in rows and columns. Next is the carousel, which allows you to swipe through the posts inside your feed like this. Third is the masonry, featuring your posts in rows and columns, but in the original sizes. And last but not least is the highlight layout. This one displays your latest post in a larger thumbnail at the top of your feed. Let's continue with the grid layout. Underneath that, you can also choose if you want the post to be displayed in a square ratio, or you can change it to the Instagram official one, 3x4 layout, like this, or you can even go with the portrait, 4x5. Let's continue with this one, and if I scroll down, you can also choose the number of posts you want to display inside your feed, on desktop and mobile. At the moment, we're displaying 8 posts, but if you want to modify it, just change it to the number of posts you want to display. For example, let's go with 6. Instantly, our Instagram feed is updated to only display 6 posts instead of 8. Let's change that back to 8. And there we go, we're back to displaying 8 posts. And lastly, at the bottom, you can also choose the number of columns you want to display on desktop, tablet, and mobile. At the moment, we've got 4 columns. Select the number of columns you want to display. Let's go with 3. Now you can see 3 columns inside our Instagram feed. But since we have 8 posts, there's a blank spot on the right-hand side. So we're going to change that to 9. And that leaves us with 3 columns of posts and 9 posts in total. I'm pretty happy with that. So we can click on Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to moderate the content inside your Instagram hashtags feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Next, if we click on Moderate Your Feed, and if we enable it, you can choose the exact post you want to display inside your Instagram feed. You have 2 options to do this with the Allow and Block list. With the Allow list, all your posts will be hidden by default, apart from the ones you manually want to display like this. Alternatively, with the Block list, all your posts will be displayed by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to hide. If we continue with the Allow list, let's go ahead and select some posts we want to display inside our feed. I'm going to hide these ones. Select some of those, and if we scroll down, we can select more photos just like this. Right, there we go. I've selected a bunch of posts and they're good to go. And lastly, at the bottom, you can also enter post IDs manually to hide them from your feed. And if you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. Next, we can go back into Filters and Moderation, Underneath moderate your feed, you can also add filters for your posts. In the first box, if you add any words or hashtags, your Instagram feed will only show posts containing those words or hashtags. Inversely, if you enter a word or hashtag into the second box, your Instagram feed will hide posts containing those words or hashtags too. Next, we can also filter posts based on their post type, whether you want to display photos, feed videos, or reels. If you add any filters, make sure to click save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your Instagram hashtags feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside WordPress. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to. Let's go with this one here, and click on Add. And here we are now on our WordPress web page, and right in the middle, this is where we can embed our Instagram feed. To embed it, we have two options. The first option is to use a shortcode block, this one here, and paste the shortcode that we just copied earlier like this. Alternatively, if you're using block editor, you can use our dedicated Instagram feed block like this. With this option, you'll instantly see a live preview of our Instagram feed like this. And now we can click save and check out what it looks like on the live website. And now on our live WordPress web page, we have our brand new Instagram hashtags feed featuring all the latest posts from the hashtag Hobbiton. All the posts are displayed inside a card grid layout, which we customized to feature 9 posts in 3 columns. Inside each post, you can see the content such as the image or video, a preview of the caption, and the number of likes and comments. And if we click on a post, that post will open up inside a lightbox view directly on your WordPress website. If it's a carousel, you can swipe through the images inside that carousel post, and on the right hand side you can also see the full caption, hashtags, a button to share the post, and a button to view the post on Instagram itself. If you click on the arrows on the left and right hand sides, you can view the other posts inside that feed too. And there you have it. That's how we can create, customize, moderate, and embed an Instagram hashtag feed like this on your WordPress website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you run into any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.